Freudenberg OK Sealing Technologies is part of the Freudenberg group of companies established 169 years ago in Weinheim, Germany. The Competence Center Oil Seals Industry, located in Ashland, New Hampshire, is the headquarters for development and manufacturing of oil seals for the industrial market for the Americas. From this location, we provide quotes and engineering support, including state-of-the-art bench tests, prototypes, and ultimately going into final production.
Here in Ashland, we focus on oil seals for a wide array of industrial applications. We offer a large spectrum of designs that include over 70 different custom elastomer formulations. Freudenberg is no stranger to making oil seals. We've been doing it for the past 90 years and have grown to be the #1 producer globally, making nearly 20 million seals per day. The Freudenberg Ashland facility receives its components every 8 hours from the Freudenberg Bristol facility 13 miles down the road. Each product lot comes in uniquely scanned and traced throughout the entire system. While in Ashland, the product sees two major processes. One is the molding process, in which we use the latest state-of-the-art Freudenberg-built injection molding machines. And the other is finishing, in which we utilize robotic controls to ensure that we're delivering the high-quality product that the Freudenberg name represents.
I'm molding right now, which basically means that I'm standing here waiting for the parts to automatically come out of the press off of my conveyor belt. I grab those parts and I put them in the trimmer bin. I trim them by putting them on the base and taking them off, and then I look at them. When I'm inspecting them, I'm making sure that the quality is good, making sure there's no foreign material or molded flash, making sure there's no visible signs that the part is going to be bad. Then I put that part on an oven tray where it will go over to the post-cure ovens and then return for the next process.
So growth is actually an acronym. It stands for Get Rid of Waste Through Team Harmony, and it encompasses all of our continuous improvement activities here at Freudenberg OK. One of the lean principles that we implement here in Ashland is the so-called model cell. We set up the manufacturing cell in a U-cell shaped layout that the operator works on the product from raw materials all the way until placing the finished goods in the box. That gives the operator full ownership of the production process of the product itself. And this is a huge competitive advantage for us because it basically ensures a very high quality.
What we're trying to do is mimic the application parameters and the environment in our test heads here, so our customer has an accurate representation of how that seal will perform in the real world or out in the field. Not only do we match the temperature, speeds, and pressures, but we can also add outside elements to the test as well.
Our test and services include the standard oil test, slurry test, a dust test, and a water test. The goal is for us to give them a seal that will perform well and outperform the seals they're currently using.
Sometimes you don't always need top-of-the-line seal performance, and our Dichtomatik facility will offer seals that at lower cost, but will suit the need of the applications that our customer wants and the value that they want.
We manufacture the parts and they go over to our industrial service division, which Dichtomatik is a part of. And what happens, you marry a side of technical expertise from the Freudenberg side and facilities such as this with the service side of Dichtomatik. So your parts will be there quickly and no long lead times, and we're able to service at a very high level. So in the marketplace, you're getting the best of both worlds. We're pretty much unparalleled when it comes to that.
Freudenberg relies on industrial distributors like Motion Industries for our automation products, our safety products, and any other critical items that we use to keep our plant running.